You know that feeling when you walk into your broiler house and the smell hits you first. The litter is wet, the droppings are loose, the birds look tired, and deep down you already know something isn't right. You check and everything seems in order, yet the bird's growth just doesn't match the amount of feed disappearing each day. You can almost see the profit slipping away with every scoop of feed wasted. Instead of that uniform, powerful growth you were expecting, you see uneven sizes, stunted bodies, and sluggish weight gain. It's the kind of scene that makes any farmer's heart heavy, because you know that if things don't change quickly, this cycle will end in losses. But what if I told you that hidden inside two simple plants, turmeric and aloe vera, lies a natural formula that can completely change things around? This natural combination doesn't just restore gut health and energy. It helps your broilers grow faster, fight diseases naturally, and reach market weight with less feed wasted. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how this powerful juice works and how you can prepare it right from your farm. But before we dive deeper into the science and farm reality, take a quick second to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Like this video so more farmers can discover this secret, and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. I love hearing from poultry farmers across the world. Now let's get into the real secret behind why this works so powerfully. Some poultry farmers already know that the digestive system of a broiler is the heart of growth. What most farmers don't realize is that if the gut is weak, if absorption is poor, or if harmful bacteria dominate the intestines, then no matter how good your feed is, your birds will never grow efficiently. This is where the turmeric and aloe vera combination comes in. Turmeric, that deep golden spice we know from the kitchen, is loaded with curcumin, a bioactive compound that fights inflammation, kills harmful bacteria, boosts digestion, and improves nutrient absorption. Aloe vera, on the other hand, is rich in vitamins, polysaccharides, and natural detox agents that soothe the gut lining, promote healing, and strengthen immunity. But the real magic happens when you combine them together in the right ratio. They don't just work individually. They amplify each other. Aloe vera carries and stabilizes the active compounds of turmeric, making curcumin more bioavailable to the chicken system. The result? Faster digestion, stronger gut health, and quicker weight gain, with fewer disease setbacks. Now, pause for a moment and think about this. If your birds could grow faster, waste less feed, and stay healthy naturally, what would that mean for your farm this season? Would you finally hit your target weights on time? Would you have fewer sleepless nights worrying about coccidiosis or heat stress? If you're saying yes right now, then you're definitely going to want to keep watching, because the next part will show you how to prepare this simple but powerful farm-made supplement. And hey, before we move on, do me a small favor. If this video is already giving you new ideas for your poultry, hit that like button and share it with another farmer who might need this today. Let's help more farmers move from chemical dependency to natural solutions that really work. All right, let's continue. Think about the biggest challenges you face as a broiler farmer. Coccidiosis attacks that destroy the intestines, necrotic enteritis that stunts growth, heat stress that lowers feed intake, weak immunity that makes every vaccination a risky gamble, and, of course, the constant pressure to hit market weight on time. Now imagine giving your birds a natural supplement that tackles all these challenges in one sweep. The turmeric component acts as a natural anticoccidial, reducing parasites in the gut. It also suppresses harmful bacteria like E. coli and Clostridium perfringens, which cause diarrhea and wounds in the intestines. Aloe vera soothes and heals those intestinal walls, reducing lesions and improving villi height, which is critical for nutrient absorption. Together, they don't just heal the gut, they rebuild it into a more efficient system that extracts every bit of nutrition from your feed. That means more muscle growth, lower feed conversion ratios, and stronger, shinier birds. And here's something many farmers overlook. When your birds have healthier guts, their droppings become firmer, the litter stays drier, ammonia levels drop, and the entire house environment improves. Healthier litter means fewer respiratory problems, and calmer flocks always grow better. Now let's go deeper into the science. Turmeric's curcumin is a powerful anti-inflammatory. When broilers grow fast, their bodies generate heat and oxidative stress. Curcumin neutralizes these free radicals, helping the birds stay calm, eat more, and grow faster. It also helps the liver produce more bile, essential for digesting fats. Modern broiler diets are high in oil and energy, and poor fat digestion leads to wet droppings and slower growth. Turmeric fixes that by improving fat metabolism. Aloe vera supports this by acting as a natural prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacteria, while suppressing harmful strains. This balanced microbiome leads to stronger immunity, better digestion, and steady growth. During heat stress, this combination really shines. Aloe vera helps regulate hydration and electrolyte balance, almost like a natural electrolyte booster. Turmeric reduces internal inflammation caused by heat. Together, they help birds stay calmer, maintain feed intake, and recover faster from temperature shocks. And the best part? All this is achieved without antibiotics, without synthetic growth promoters, and without expensive additives. You can make it right from your farm using simple, affordable ingredients, turmeric and aloe vera. Preparation guide. To prepare this supplement, you'll need just 2 ingredients. Fresh turmeric. Fresh aloe vera. Use a 1-to-3 ratio. That's 1 part turmeric to 3 parts aloe vera. For example, if you're using 1 kilogram of turmeric, combine it with 3 kilograms of aloe vera. Wash them properly. Chop them into smaller pieces and blend with a bit of water until you get a smooth juice or paste. Then add 15 milliliters per liter of drinking water, about 2 tablespoons per liter. The birds will drink it naturally. It's simple, affordable, and when used consistently, the results are incredible. Faster growth, shinier feathers, firmer droppings, and lower mortality even during stressful periods. If you found this video helpful and you're excited to try this formula, make sure you've liked, shared, and subscribed so you don't miss our next Natural Poultry Solutions video.